One has over 40 million users, but the other controls the entire banking system. This isn't just an app battle. It's a digital war for the future of Ethiopia's economy. And today, we're revealing the real winner. Ethiopia is in the middle of a financial revolution, and it's happening right on our smartphones. Just a few years ago, cash was king. But now, two giants are battling for your digital wallet, Telebirr and CBE Birr. But which one is truly more powerful? Which one is actually shaping the future of our economy? Is it all about user numbers? Or is there a deeper story? Today, we're going beyond the hype. As a financial analyst, I'm breaking down the cold, hard data to answer the question, Telebirr versus CBE Birr, which one is more important? First, let's meet the contenders. This isn't just an app battle. It's a battle of infrastructure. Telebirr is owned by Ethio Telecom. Its superpower is its massive telecom network. It was born from a simple goal: turn every single mobile subscriber into a potential customer. Their playground is the airwaves. On the other side, you have CBE Birr, owned by the Commercial Bank of Ethiopia. Its fortress is the entire formal banking system. Its mission: defend its territory and digitize the flow of money already moving through its vaults. Its playground is the national financial grid. Now, let's look at the numbers. And this is where it gets really interesting. According to their latest annual reports, Telebirr has signed up over 40 million users in just a few years. That's a staggering growth rate. It's the undisputed champion of scale and financial inclusion, bringing millions of unbanked Ethiopians into the digital economy for the very first time. CBE Birr, on the other hand, leverages CBE's massive base of over 40 million account holders. Its strength isn't just raw user numbers, but financial depth. When you use CBE Birr, you're not just moving mobile money, you're moving bank money. It's seamlessly integrated with your savings, your loans, and your salary account. So, which one is more useful? Well, it really depends on what you need. Telebirr's killer feature is its incredible accessibility. Its off-net transfer means you can send money to any phone number, even if they don't have the app yet. It has also pushed aggressively into microloans, savings, and international remittances, acting like a digital financial supermarket for everyone. But CBE Birr's secret weapon is its seamless integration. Moving money from your wallet to your savings account is instant. Paying a large bill directly from your bank balance? It's easy. For businesses and salaried employees, this deep connection to the formal banking system is an absolute game changer. So after all this, who wins? The truth is, they are both critically important, but for different reasons. If you define important as transforming the daily lives of millions and driving mass adoption, then Telebirr is more important. It's the engine of financial inclusion. But if you define important as strengthening the core banking system, ensuring stability, and channeling digital money into loans and investments for the wider economy, then CBE Birr is more important. It's the anchor of financial deepening. The real winner here isn't one app over the other. The real winner is Ethiopia. We have one platform, Telebirr, that acts as a massive net, catching everyone and pulling them into the digital economy. And we have another, CBE Birr, that acts as the deep reservoir, storing that value securely within the formal financial system. They are two sides of the same coin, both driving Ethiopia's economy forward. The competition between them will only lead to better, cheaper, and faster services for all of us. So, which one do you use more? Telebirr or CBE Birr? And why? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this deep dive valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next analysis where we break down the business and finance stories that matter. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.